Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You love my videos. God bless you. In this video, um, I will apply for my wife extension visa. I make a video 2.5 years ago how to apply for the spouse visa. I sponsored my wife. She came to the UK. Now her visa is going to expire in a month, so 1 month left now. So I'm going to apply for extension now. So I will fill the form, and I will try my best to give you the ideas which document you need to when you're gonna upload it. So let's start. So you're gonna use this link. I will put the link in the description. You can follow this link. So click apply now. So are you currently in the UK? Yes. Save and continue. Just try to read it. Do you currently have an application with the Home Office for leave to remain for which you have not yet received a decision? In my case, no. Save and continue. Basis of your applications. So in my case, just read it if you want to read all this information. So they are telling you here as well. Choose the option that the best matches. Choose a partner if your partner is a British citizen, settled person, or a person with. So in my case, I am a British citizen, my wife. So I'm gonna select a partner because I'm applying this on behalf of my wife. Save and continue. Is your current entry clearance or leave to remain as a partner of one of the following? So just try to read it. So in this case is going to be yes, because I'm extending, and I am British citizenship. I have it. Where you originally granted leave on the basis of the application made before 9 July 2012 as a partner on the family rule. If you applied before 9 July 2012, then click yes, otherwise is no. This is 2024. I think everyone is going to be no for that, because the rule changed. Before it was 2 years, now it's 2.5 years. Save and continue. So you need to register an email, and you need to put the password. I'm going to pause it and just put your email and the password. So when you enter your email and the password, they send you an email to verify. So just click and then press save and continue. When you press save and continue, this will come. So asking who are you? You're the applicant, an immigration advisor based in the UK, someone else. So in my case is applicant. You can choose someone else because I'm applying on behalf of my wife. So I can say someone else. Save and continue. So asking, do you have any immigration advisor? In my case, no. Press save and continue. Yeah, so your duty to give all reason for staying in the UK. Just read it. Just you need to understand that you will provide all the reason why you want to stay in the UK. Just you check these ones, and you can press continue. So answer a question about this applicant now. They're asking your name, family name. Just put it and press the next button. They're asking, do you have any other name? No, in my case. The next question, they're asking for the email address. Just put the email address. So after verification, you just save and continue. Provide your telephone number. Just put the number. And the next one, you're asking for your address where you live. After that, they're asking for your sex, female. What is your relationship status? Married or civil partner? So is married. Save and continue. Your nationality, country, and date of birth. Just put all the details, whatever they're asking. Can you provide a valid passport? Yes, in my case, you need to put the number. Yeah, everything they're asking, it's very simple things. So they're asking for your identity card, Pakistani one. You're valid. If you're valid, just put it. If it's not, then there's no point. No need to put it. In the next question, they're asking for your other nationality. Do you currently hold or have ever held any other nationality? In my case, no. So the next question, your current UK immigration status. Do you have a current UK visa, entry clearness or grant of leave? Yes, in my case. So leave to enter in my case. I'm gonna press save and continue. What is the start date of your current? So expiring and start date. Just put this one. Your current permission to be in the UK. What type of visa, leave to enter, remain, or other permission do you have in being in the UK? Yeah. So in my case, it's going to be family. So your current leave to remain. On what basis did you apply for your current visa, leave to enter or remain, or other permission? So yeah. So you have to find yours one. So I applied the first one because yeah, I'm British citizen. So next question: time lived in the UK. How long have you lived in the UK? So the next question: time spent outside of the UK. Have you been out of the UK since you started living here? Yeah. So you keep putting the time spent outside the UK. If you have no, then press no and continue. So asking other countries you lived in. Have you previously lived in a country outside the UK, including your country of birth? In my case, no. Just press next. In this question, asking when did you last travel to the country where you were born, and or any other country whose nationality you hold. So whatever you just put it. So in this question, asking what family or friend do you have in the country where you were born and any other country? Are there any factors which would make difficult or impossible for you to integrate and establish a private life in that country? I'm saying yes because so I'm just applying for on behalf of my wife. So my wife is the mother of my child, and my child is British. So it's difficult her to leave the UK and staying in the Pakistan. Yeah, so you can write it on this thing as well. So you can tick here if you want, if they're asking for the, let's say, document. We have a birth certificate of my son. Yeah, so you can tick here and press and continue. So biometric resident permit. Do you have a biometric resident permit? Yes, we have it. So the next is asking for the national insurance number. Just put that one. So the next question: English language degree taught in English. You have a degree that was taught in the English. So in my case, no. So you have to do HU for this special case. Then have you passed and improved English language test, which is yes. So did test assess your speaking and listening skills at level equivalent to the A1 or higher? Yes. How did you get your result? So you can get certificate, you can get online reference number as well. So I got my result and certificate. So the next saying how you enter the UK. How did you enter the UK? I was granted temporary admission or bail at the UK border. Other, and say spouse visa. And when did you enter in the UK? Just put the date as well. The next question is asking for the immigration history. For either the UK or any other country, have you ever been? Yeah, so refuse a visa. In my case, no. So the next question: convictions and other penalties. At any time, have you ever had any of the following in the UK? Criminal convictions, penalty, arrest, cautions, civil court, civil penalty issue. Yeah. So I have never had of these. Just and continue. The war crimes. This is no as well. Press save and continue. Terrorist organizations, no. Save and continue. So terrorist view is no. Have you My name can medium express view that just justify glorify. Yeah, no in case. So here, yeah, so it's no. So in case no, I'm gonna press no. The next one asking for your current partner. So it's gonna be my details. So the next question, is your partner known by another name? No in my case. So asking for date of birth and the nationality of your partner, country of nationality, then date of birth. I was asking for the national insurance number now. This one is asking for a relationship to the partner. What is your relationship to your partner? So in my case, spouse. Marriage certificate or reasonable equivalent, or yeah. So they're asking for this relationship. So is your partner currently residing inside the UK? Yeah. What is your partner basis of for living in the UK? So I British citizen. You will must mature the immigration status in the UK. Yeah, I will confirm and provide. So it's asking, they're asking for any home office reference number. If you have it, you put it. So where your partner live in the UK? Yeah, in the UK. So is this the first time you have applied for a partner route or an extension with your current partner, including as a fiance, as proposed civil partner? So in my case is no here. Then because we are extending, so we're asking for reason for extension. So this my case is this is the first extension. You're gonna put this one. So save and continue. So asking for my wife, previous married, no. So asking, do you have any children or 18 years older under? Yeah, you have one children. So are all your children applying with you in the application? No, because our child is British have a British passport. So you're asking for the reason. So I have one son, he got British passport. Yeah, so next. So if you put a child details, if it's British, you need to put that details. It's very simple. So it's asking for the sex of the child is male. Yeah, I wrote about yeah, the responsibility, mother responsibility for Musa. So press save and continue. Musa Mashud passport. Do they have a passport or a copy of the information on the photo page? Yes, in my case. So asking for the passport number, issue, yeah, everything, you need to put that one. Was asking for where Musa Mashud live. So he live with us. Save and continue. So what language can Musa Mashud speak? Is only 16 months. So he's learning. Yeah, so I just told he's only 16 month old. Musa Mashud extended family. Does this child have extended family in the UK? No. If you left the UK, do you and your children have family or friends in the country you would return to? So in just my case, was Musa Mashud born in the UK? Yes. Save and continue. Other countries Musa Mashud has visited. Has the child ever visited or lived in another country? Yes, he went to Pakistan. So you're asking for another country, save and continue. So who, Mr. Mashud, the other parents? Who is the other parent? Yeah, I am a parent. So I will provide the utility bill. So I provide Mr. Musa birth certificate as well. Yeah, continue, press and. Does anyone else have a parental responsibility for Musa Mashud? No, in my case. Financial responsibility for Musa Mashud. Who is financially responsible? So is me. Save and continue. So asking for other information. Would you like to provide any other information about Musa Mashud? No. So do you have any other non-applying children? No. So it's asking for my marriage. I married before, then got divorced. So it's asking for the name. So it's also will be divorced. So it's asking about me and the children. No. Partners, other financial dependent. Is your partner financially responsible for supporting anyone you have not already given details for? No, in my case. So he's asking, have you met your partner? Yes. Next question: where did you first meet your current partner? So just put it there. So he's asking for the language you speak. Urdu. Save and continue. So it's about me. I speak Urdu fluently as well. So the language me and my wife communicate in Urdu as well. Next question. The next question: physical or mental conditions. Do you or your partner have any physical or mental conditions? No, in my case. The next question asking about the learning disabilities. Do you or your partner have any learning disabilities? No, in my case. So do you or your partners currently live together? Yes. When did you start living together in a relationship? Yeah, so you're gonna put everything. Where have you lived together? So you're gonna put make the note of this document. You will need it to send with that. So if you're living together, so if you click this one, what document do I need to provide? So just read carefully. I need to provide this one. This is going to be very important. The next question is asking for, have you lived with your partner continuously for 2 years? Yes, in my case. You are married. Are you and your partner are married or a civil? Yeah, we married. Yes, in my case. The next question: have you lived with your partner since you married or civil partnership? No, in my case. Yes, in my case, the previous address. If you're not living means 2 years on the same address, then you have to put it this one. The next questions: have your partner lived anywhere other than your current address during the past 2 years that you're not enter in this application? Yes, in my case. Next question: do you tend to live with your partner permanently in the United Kingdom? Yes. So in this question, they're asking for, have you applied for a fee waiver for this application? If you want to know what is fee waiver, is means if you cannot pay the fees, then you apply this one. In my case, no. So after that, you'll be able to check your answer. Then there can be next, I think, finance, then documents. So now it's coming finance. So which type of income you will rely on? So whatever income you rely on is employment, self-employment. You can check this appendix. Mostly people employed are self-employed. So in my case is employment. So the next question is asking from add employment for my wife or for myself. So we both work. So I'm gonna add to first. So they're asking, saying here as well, if you have other source of income, employment, then you can add later on. So the current employment, what is the current employment job title? What type of employment is this? What did the current employment begin? Have the yeah. So you have to put all the answers over here. The next question asking for the name of the employment, company address, yeah, everything you put it there. The next question: do you want to add a previous job from within the last 12 months? No, in my case. So asking for the evidence. So pay slip, letter from the employer, personal bank statement, whatever you have. So the next question: do you want to add additional employment income? Yeah, if you have, then click yes or no. So home details. Do you own or rent? So rent in my case. Yeah, so if you're renting, So they're asking for these questions as well. So asking for the bedrooms. Does any other your partner or children live with your property? Yeah. So the next question is property outside the UK. In my case, no. The next question, business interest outside the UK. Do you or any of your dependents have any business interests outside the UK? No. Asking for other income sources. Are there any other income sources you would like to include towards the maintenance? So this finance is finished. They're asking for to check your answer, so make sure you check everything is right. And we're gonna move to the next section. So the next question, other information about your family members. Would any of your other family members be affected if your application was refused? Yeah, you would say that for your husband or wife. The next questions, do you have any other reason for staying in the UK? If you have, you can say yes, then you can provide the information. The next one is document. You have to select all the documents which you were, just read it. This is a very, very important section as well. So you need to click all these, which one you're going to provide it, then press save and continue. So these details, document one, if you want to read this one, you can as well. So the next one is the consent form. So home office will can confirm from the companies like a utility bill. So you have to yeah, select this one. Yeah, so you must click this link and download it and then sign it and then upload it later on. So the next one, you're asking for the consent for the joint account. Yeah, if you fulfill this one, just yes or no. So relationship declaration. So are you married in a civil partnership? In my case, is yes. Yeah, you give the answer. The next one, yeah, you have to just confirm this one as well. It's very simple. So time for to check your answers for declaration. Now the next step, immigration health surcharge payment summary. Wow, now you need to get your money ready. 2,587.50 pence. Lot of money. So the payment done, then now you have to pay the application fees. When you click that one, yeah, so fees for this one is 1,258 pound. Save and continue. Yeah, in the next step they're telling that if you make the payment, then you won't be able to change edit your application. So make sure you check your everything, and yeah, and then you continue to word pay. Yeah, so we make the payment. So if you want to confirm your print, this one you can. Now save and continue the finance task. So after that you can download the mandatory actions. Yeah, to tell you what to do next. Yeah, so it's done now. So now you can download these forms, but I already download during my filling application. Then here you need to book the appointment. So I'm gonna explain you about the document because that will be the very, very important part. So please watch this video till to the end. And the if you want to use your checklist, this is important as well. Means when you uploading your document, you can check this is I uploaded it, then you're not going to miss any document. And this your application form, if you want to download it, is better to download it, because if the home office can call you, they will call you differently, your husband and wife or your employee. Then you should remember what you write in the application. They can ask the question, but this is very rare. Okay, so you should receive an email as well. the confirmation email, the payment is successful. The application fee is not the health surcharge one. Here you can return to your application if you click on this link, and you just put the password, and when you log in, then you can download this one, the form. This is compulsory. Then here you can book the appointment as well. They are saying to us before 7th of January 2025, and here you have to then upload your document, uh, required document, and sorry, then you have to go to your appointment as well, and you upload your document before attending the this appointment. So we press continue. So it's take us to this one. So get started. So your name will be at the top. Get started. So all the information is there. I'm gonna hide this information. So just you put the password, then it will give you the option. So after putting the password, asking I consent to transfer and processing by personal data. Yeah, you have to all consent this one and press register. Yeah, so you're saying check your email, so then you confirm your email from there. So I should receive over here. Yeah, then just activate it. So here you need to put your code and the password. You should receive it in the email as well. So when you log in, it's look like this. It's giving me some information as well. It's asking about the card, and they are changing the place. So luckily we'll leave in the Croydon as well. So yeah. So here you put your postcode and search. It will give you the option. At the top is a map view and list view. You list view, then you can just select from there. Yeah, so you can select. I'm gonna select Croydon. So prime time slot is available. You can see which one is free. So I'm gonna go to Croydon. Then the next one, I don't want to pay extra fees. If I select self-service appointment, it's saying £0, but it's gonna be £60 because there was no appointment was available. So it's saying here as well, with the selection of the earliest appointment slot is 18:11, so which is prime time. So book an appointment. If I book it here, then it's giving me the timing. So it's saying look £60 over here. I'm gonna go to, yeah, it was saying on the November, the month of November is now, there was no date available, but if if I want to pay the fees, then it's available. So if I say confirm, next say yeah, I don't want to pay extra service, so confirm. If I confirm, I won't be able to change it, so I'm going to confirm this one. So now you go to the payment and just make the payment. Just confirm. Yes, just put your details. So here is payment done, so press OK. Now it's saying upload document. So this is very important part, because you have to upload the document very carefully. You're not gonna miss anything. If we say upload now, so click to upload. So drag and drop files, maximum file 7.2 MB. Acceptable file is PDF, GPEG. This should not be password protected as well. If you click plus over here, so yeah, you can then select all the documents from here. So if you want to go back to the application portal, you can. Then you can come back to later on as well. Now I'm gonna upload the document. So before the document I do a big job, so you should do that one as well. So what you can do, you can download the checklist. So when you apply, then they give you the option to download the documents. So you download the document in your computer. You should make folders. There's a lot of folders, and in these folders there's a lot of files as well, because every case is different. My case is different because I was a director of my limited company, so I need extra documents, extra pay slips, extra statement, my company statement. That's why I have a lot of documents. So I make the folders. So the good thing is that now they improve this system now. So you just can drag this folder. Instead of, look, if I open my statement, there is a whole year statement. It's going to be difficult to do one by one. So the good thing is that just you grab this one, this folder, and put it in the over here. Then they will pick it. Okay. So let me discuss some about the documents as well. So it's better. So you download the checklist. Okay. Then you start gathering your document and putting in the folders. Then you tick with the marker on the checklist which you print it out. Then this could be easy. So I did 3 checks. So when I put in the document in the folders, that was 1 tick. Then I checked with that list. That was 2nd tick. The 3rd tick will be when I'm gonna start uploading it. So you put all the relevant documents which is mentioned on the checklist. Because this document is going to be different, as I said before. So I add some pictures as well. Some people say you no need to add pictures, but my advice, you should add the pictures of yours and your wife, if you have children, with your family. You support your application as well. So let's do this. I am on the last stage of my application. Oh yeah. So the one thing they say, the documents, addresses, you have to provide the last 2 years addresses. I will make another video because it's going to be length video, maybe 10 minutes. I will explain you. I try to ask many people from the lawyer. I pay a lot of money, about 200-300 pounds, to get the answer of this question, but it was difficult. Now I get it. I will make the video about the address. They say you have to equally divided the addresses between you and your partner. So they ask for the 6. If it's joint, they ask for the 6, but I will make another video. But I collected it, my addresses. It was some bills, some where it's gone, I can show you addresses. Yeah, some council tax, some GP letter, some TV license, yeah, and NHS. But yeah, I'll make another video. So I'm gonna upload the documents over here now. So what you should do, the best thing, you just make small like this, and you can make small this one as well. So this is going to be easy to just grab and put it over there. I'm gonna make this more small, and make sure you're not gonna forget. So what you can do, whatever you're putting over here, you can then take this out from this folder and put in another folder if you want to do that one. So let's say if I'm gonna pick this one, account and letter, so just take here and put it over here, and if you look, this is over there. Now you can just you have to select the category as well. Which category is this? Proof of applications, educational, sponsor, employer, medical information, life, official document, evidence of residence in the UK, finance, other. So because this is my proof of application, so I'm going to select for my proof of application. Yeah, then you just keep doing like this. So this account and letter is done. Now you can take this out or put it in another folder, or if you want to mark it, take the pen and paper and just marking it. Yeah, I will do this one as well. I'm going to take the pen and paper. So whatever I'm putting, I can write it down. Accounted letter. It's going to be easy for me. So I'm gonna pause the video over here, and I'm gonna do all this one. Just I told you. So you done accountant letter, then you're gonna put the addresses. Then just do just one by one like this. So in accountant letter there was a one file. That's why I show you one file. But in addresses there was about 7-8 files. So when you put it over there, it will show you over here everything is coming. You can read it. It's very good. You can say that agreement letter, company's house, council tax, like this. This is very good. So these are the addresses. So that's why I would select evidence of residence in the UK. So you have to select one by one, because at the end it will say some files have no categories. You have to select categories. Okay, I am almost on the, it's almost done. So just review it. It's very important. I just found one mistake over here. Just review before submit it. Something missing, because this is your final stage. Okay, so I'm done from my side. So just when you finish, just submit your document, confirm. They are saying you want sure, then you won't be able to means upload again. So confirm from my side. Yeah, so it's saying it's submitted now. This the list of the document uploaded to a visa application. Your documents will now be submitted to UK visa and citizen application service point. So it's saying congratulations, all of your documents were uploaded. Proceed to the application summary. So if you want to do the summary, you can. If you click summary, then this comes up. This means all is gone now. Yes, upload status is submitted. It's showing me here as well. Yeah, so nothing here now. It's done now. So next video I will make about the proof of address, which this says spread evenly in the last 2 years. So subscribe to my channel. When I make the video, you will see the notification, and wish me good luck. Thank you so much for watching this video.